Hello there and welcome. Thank you for being here. For our session today, I'll be giving you a deep tissue back massage. I really want to help you just kind of alleviate some of that tension and tightness, that pain that's been festering in your back. Let's see if we can make a little progress today. Okay. And I want to kind of work with you, meet you at your comfort level, so I hope you enjoy this. And as always, if I find an area that needs a little extra attention, I'm just going to kind of slow things down, really focus on that before moving on. Okay, perfect. And now, as always, I'm going to warm up my hands. And I'll begin just slowly and with just nice gliding motions all throughout your back, kind of just get you relaxed and calm and ready. Okay, so this will be just a lotion massage. Maybe I'll switch to oil a little bit later on. We'll see. Okay, and just take a deep breath and enjoy. Okay, just gonna place my hands and slowly glide down your back and glide up and down. Just nice, controlled effleurage motions, okay? And just working from the side to the center to the side, okay? And then just top to bottom. Just really settling you in, okay? Good. And just relax your whole body. Okay. And now I'm just going to take them and glide them outward. Out and then back in. Good. As I slowly just kind of go a little bit lower and back up. Tilt so I can get a better angle. There we go. You want to just work all those muscles. And okay. And side. Good. I think that your muscles are nice and warmed up, and I'll be approaching this, just kind of breaking it down, working from, this side of your body to the other, or on the top, the center, and the lower, okay? Really just want to just break everything up and make sure that we're hitting all targets, okay? Going to just use the palm of my hand and just do like a half twist, and then I'm going to close my hand and again do a half twist. So half twist with open palm and going down, gliding really smooth. Working my way up and good. And then with a closed fist and just doing like a half twist, I can really get a little deeper into those muscles. And I'm going to hold it there. Good. And then slowly go to mid-back. Okay. And then back up top. Okay, good. And then the other side, half twist. Right down to that lower back. Good. It seems pretty tight in there, so like I said, just kind of hang out in that area and give it a little extra attention. And closed fist, and just really kneading with my fingers. Mid-back, good, and up. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go like from your spine and work my way out, okay? With a really nice, I took a step back, okay? So I'm kind of like in a lunge motion and really just getting my body just really into those motions, okay? Good. So I'm working my whole body, and it helps me just kind of keeping that same level of pressure. Good. And then I keep kind of dropping down a little lower and lower. Good. And now, good. And going back up. And a slow, deep push. Good. Excellent. And then again on the other side, take a little step back. And working from the spine outwards, okay? Just kind of rocking with it. Good, mid-back. And lower back. Okay. And slow it down right there with a little more force. Pressure, pressure, pressure. Good. Okay. And back up. Just really getting in there. Okay. And top, one last. Out, out, out. Good. Okay. And then I'm just gonna just take some nice circular motions with my hand and just kind of cover everything right now. And going up the side, across the upper back, and back down. Good. And I'm just going to take my hands spread open like this and just really press in and working up with palms of my hand. Okay. Going in and up. Good. And down. Good, 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 good. releasing. Good. And down, down, down. And down, 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 down. Good. And oh, friction, friction, friction. Okay. And just do a little tension release. Good. Excellent. All right, now I'm going to just really kind of work on that upper shoulder area. All right, so I'm just gonna wipe off my hands, apply some more lotion. I don't like it to build up too much. And then we can get back into it, okay? Okay. Good. And I'm just taking my hand, okay? Just working that down. And the other side. Okay. Good. Just doing a little bit faster, lighter, topical. Okay, and then now just a little patting up and down. Okay, and around. Good. Okay, are you ready for some lower back work? Yeah, okay. Now, I'm just going to take my forearm and bring it up and down, up and down, okay? When we're working with the back, it's like big space and lots of muscles. So, sometimes the hand isn't enough, and I gotta use just larger portions. So my forearm really comes in handy here, okay? So I'll do a little bit of upward gliding and kind of just like almost like a hammer, kind of going down and going, just getting, there you go. And then bring it up. Good, with my forearm. Good, there we go. Just breathe through and feel the release. Good. And go up. A little bit of chopping. Here we go. It's good to break up tension, that tightness, right? Okay. Now the other side. Just really getting in there with my forearm. And good. And again, just bringing it up and out. Really gonna push through. There we go. Gliding and pushing through. Good. Again. Okay. Okay. Now, I think what I'm gonna do next is just a little bit of skin pulling, okay? So just, like I'm grabbing onto dough and kneading it, pulling it up, okay? Good. And I'm just gonna grab it right here and pull it. Good. There we go. Kneading. Okay, good. And again. And I'm gonna push down a little bit. Okay. And now I'm just gonna gently place my hand with the lightest of touch, okay? Just ever so lightly down your back. Okay. And just pick up the pace a little bit, but not putting a lot of pressure, okay? It's just like a little light tapping on the skin. Good. Okay, now it's gonna come like top and go down and down on that side. I'm just gonna get some leverage in here. Okay. From the center. And good. And again. The leverage, good. Okay. And I'm just gonna do a little chopping all across. Cross. And good. Right through the center. And I'm gonna swing down all through your back. And to the side. Good. And really getting in there. Okay. Perfect. And go down. Now I just want to gently go down, glide, and glide, and smooth it out. Just feel everything relax, and it's gonna go across and down, across, and just gonna rotate just a little bit around your rib cage, okay? There we go. Just bringing that just around. It's really gentle, relaxing motions. Just feel it kind of wrap around like a nice little hug around your rib cage. Good. And up. I want to thank you for allowing me to work on you today. I hope you feel much better, and I will see you again in the next one, okay?